10 classic cars, 10 incredible stories, and every single one is for sale right now. Some might be smart investments, others are dream projects, but one thing's for sure, after this video, you'll never look at vintage cars the same way again. 1. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, $15,000. La Habra. Let's kick things off with one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever made, the 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. This one packs a 289 V8 C-Code engine, a popular mid-level performance choice back in the day. The car features a unisteer power rack and pinion setup, a $3,000 plus upgrade that dramatically improves steering response over the original setup. It's got Edelbrock intake and carb, Wilwood front disc brakes, headers, and an aluminum radiator. All signs this car has been updated for performance and reliability. Originally built in San Jose and sold in Los Angeles, it still carries its original California black and gold plates. That's a big deal for collectors. The odometer shows just under 87,000 miles, and while it's not a daily driver, it runs and drives. If you've been dreaming of building a GT Fastback clone, a Bullet Tribute, or even an Eleanor-style Restomod, this Mustang is an ideal starting point. Clean California title, solid structure, and endless potential. Hack 2, 1967 Chevy Camaro Street Strip, $38,900, Chatsworth, California. Next up is a street-legal drag machine, a 1967 Chevy Camaro with serious old-school muscle credentials. This California-born car comes with its original Protecto plate, and under the hood is a 520-horsepower 383-stroker with forged internals and trick-flow heads. It runs low 11-second quarter miles and still sips pump gas. A TH350 with a 3500 stall converter handles the power, while 4.11 gears and a posi rear end put it to the ground. There's a 6-point cage, subframe connectors, and drag shocks. In short, this is not your average cruiser. It's a real-deal hot rod. If you're after a legit street strip warrior with pedigree and performance, this Camaro delivers. And yes, its clean title and shipping is available. Share 3, 1964 Chevy Impala SS, $38,500, Huntington Park, California. Now here's a full-size classic that defined an era, the 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS Coupe. This one has a 327 V8 with a 4-speed manual, just how real enthusiasts like it. It's not a showroom queen, but it's the perfect candidate for a partial restoration. This body style was an icon in both cruising culture and the lowrider scene. With just 50 miles, a clean title, and $2,000 in extra parts included, you've got a solid foundation to restore or customize. Whether you want a weekend showstopper or a piece of rolling nostalgia, this Impala is a classic American dream. Nash 4, 1966 Pontiac GTO, $45,000, Escondido, California. Here's something truly special, a 1966 Pontiac GTO, the car that many consider the first true muscle car. This GTO is in excellent condition with its original 389 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission still in place. It's a factory air-conditioned car, which was a premium feature at the time. Finished in its original white exterior and matching interior, this is a rust-free California car that's been exceptionally preserved. With only 32,655 miles showing, this GTO stands out as one of the most original and well-kept examples on the market today. For the purist collector, this one checks all the right boxes. Half 5 1969 Dodge Charger SE, $55,785. Barton, Oregon. Muscle car royalty right here. The 1969 Dodge Charger SE is a legend, especially with the General Lee fame from the Dukes of Hazzard. This one features a rebuilt 318 V8 with a 727 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and factory AC. It's a factory special edition SE with perfect trim, great paint, and a flawless interior. The motor and transmission have both been gone through, and it's riding on correct wheels and tires. No rust, clean title, and ready to cruise. If you want a classic Mopar that turns heads and drives anywhere, this Charger is ready to go. Six, 1964 Corvette Stingray, $59,750, Rancho Bernardo, California. Time for some fiberglass fury. The 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This red coupe is powered by a 327 engine and features both a hard and soft top. It's been fitted with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and power steering, making it a comfortable driver despite its aggressive look. The body is clean, paint is near perfect, and there are countless new parts, including ignition, radiator fan, belts, and hoses. This isn't just a pretty car, it's sorted and road ready. If you're after mid-year Corvette style with modern drivability, this is a sweet spot. Seven, 1963 Buick Riviera, $34,000, Beverly Hills, California. Now here's one for the connoisseur. A 1963 Buick Riviera with matching numbers and a body-on restoration done 10 years ago. This personal luxury coupe was a game-changer when it debuted, offering European styling and American power. This Riviera has a 425 V8, automatic transmission, power everything, and tons of documentation. It even comes with vintage brochures, dealer materials, and a custom car cover. The paint, chrome, interior, all have been restored. This is one of those cars that collectors love for its blend of elegance and power. Nada values this one over $50K. Eight, 1966 Chevrolet Chevel SS 396, $16,000, Arizona. This next one is a project with serious potential. A real deal 138 VIN 1966 Chevel SS 396, a muscle car icon. Right now it's stripped down. No motor, no transmission, no interior, but the body is rust-free, straight, and still has the 12-bolt rear end, disc brakes, and classic centerline wheels. If you've been dreaming of a custom build or drag setup, this is the perfect blank canvas. You could restore it to factory spec or stuff a monster motor in it and hit the strip. It's priced to move at $16,000, serious buyers only. 9, 1964 Oldsmobile Jet Star, $6,500, Los Angeles, California. Now here's a unique gem. A 1964 Oldsmobile Jet Star, a short-lived but high-trim model that's often overlooked. It has a 394 Rocket V8 and a turbo hydromatic transmission. Original paint with patina, original CA black plates, and power everything. Windows, seat, air conditioning, and even a working tack. It runs and drives well and has only 38,000 miles. This is a true survivor that would be a fun, easy project or daily classic. 10. 1969 Opel GT, $8,800, Los Angeles area. We wrap up with something a little different, the 1969 Opel GT. Built in Germany and often called the baby Corvette, the Opel GT was imported by Buick dealers and has a loyal cult following. This example runs and drives, has tons of new parts including ignition, trim, lenses, and more. It's smog exempt in California, making it easier to register and modify. The interior needs finishing, but mechanically, it's sound. At $8,800, it's a rare Euro-American fusion that's gaining value in the collector world. And there you have it. 10 classic cars for sale right now, each with its own story, style, and restoration path. Whether you're into factory original muscle, vintage cruisers, or old school hot rods, there's something here that might just be your next garage project. If you saw a car you liked, check the links in the description for the original listings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which one you'd take home. See you in the next video. And as always, keep the classics alive.